when he takes a step, it's just 1 unit. Okay, so he moves in ones. Mr. Monkey, on the other hand, he has really lanky arms and legs, and they're pretty powerful. So when he moves by 5s. Okay? So if he starts at 0 and he takes a little leap or a jump, he goes all the way to 5. That's 1 step for him. So if he's going to take 2 steps, where do you think he would land on the number line? Tirza?
10.
10. That's right. So we're going to do some practice with, do you want to do Mr. Bear first or Mr. Monkey?
Mr. Monkey.
Mr. Monkey? Okay. Sounds good. So I'm just going to get a pointer stick really quick.
I'm the only one who picked bear.
And we'll go back to Bear.
I picked bear. I picked bear. I picked bear.
All right. So Mr. Monkey, we're starting him at 0. Okay? There's a banana 3 steps away from him. Where do you think on the number line he's going to land? Where do you think that banana is that he needs to reach? So he starts at 0, and he's going to take 3 steps. Each step is 5 units. Scarlett.
Land on the number 5.
Okay, that's 1 step. So 1 step is 5 units. So he's going to take 3 steps to get to his banana. Where do we think he's going to be for counting by 5s? I want you sitting in your seat showing me you're ready. Matthew?
50.
15?
Yes.
Do we agree with that, grade 1?
Yes.
Yes. So 5, 10, 15. He's got his banana. All right. Now he's going to take 2 more steps to get another banana. Where is he going to be on the number line? Evan?
25.
Do we agree?
Yes.
Yeah. So 15, 20, 25. All right. Now he noticed that there was a banana 15 steps behind him or 3 steps behind him that he missed. So he needs to go backwards 3 steps to get that other banana that he missed. What number is he going to be on? 3 steps behind him. So what way are we moving, Mr. Monkey? Forward or backwards? So are the numbers going to get bigger or smaller? Willow?
Smaller.
So what way are we going?
5.
What way are we going? This way. We're going to go this way. So he has to take 3 steps backwards to get to that banana. Where is he going to land on the number line, grade 1? Willow, where do you think?
5.
5? All right, let's test it out. So we got 25. So we're going to move him 1, 25 to 20, 20 to 15. That's 2 steps. 3 steps, 15 to 10. Yep, it would have been 4 steps backwards if he went to 5. So he would be at 10. Now, he notices his group of friends, and he thinks it's going to take him probably about 6 steps to get to them. Where do you think he's going to be on the number line? 6 steps ahead of him. He notices his group of friends, so he's at 10. 6 steps ahead. Evan.
40.
40, not quite. There's one more guess. Evan, do you want to correct yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
35.
What's that?
35.
Let's do it. Ready? So 10,
10.
15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Yep. So he is at 35 with his group of buddies.
He's happy.
He's happy. He's had a few bananas and he's hanging out with his buddies.
He
Now,
tell him to stop smiling.
Mr. Bear comes along.
He's mad.
Mr. Bear comes along. He's actually one of the buddies. He's in the crew of 35. He only moves by how many units in each of his steps? How many units does he move? Yes, Mr. Bear only moves by one. He's just a small little bear, short stubby legs, so he doesn't need to jump 5 units, just one. Let's see. Mr. Bear notices a jar of honey 7 steps in front of him. Where is he going to be if he's at 35? What's 7 steps ahead from Mr. Bear? Jordan B.
57.
57? Let's count. Is that moving by ones?
47.
Let's check it out. So 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. How many steps was that? Jordan B?
42.
42. That was 7 steps ahead of him. So not quite 47, just that 42. Now, he's so busy eating all this honey that he kind of gets it all over his hands, and then it kind of drips down his body, and then it gets on his feet and he slips. He slips backwards.
No,
Dramatically.
it's sticky.
Yeah, he's all sticky and gross. So he kind of slips in all the honey, and he slips back 3 steps. Where are we? Where would he be? Where would he land if he's at 42? He slips back 3 spaces. Dawson,
39.
let's check it out. 1, 2, 3.
It's sticky.
Then, when he slips, he falls, and he bangs his head. He is very injured. He needs to go to the hospital. So Mr. Bear is going to run to the hospital, which is about 30 spaces in front of him. 30 steps. Which way are we moving? Are the numbers going to get bigger or smaller?
Smaller.
He has to run ahead to the hospital, Matthew. Which way is he going? Forward. So are the numbers getting bigger or smaller? Okay, so let's count. 30 spaces in front of him. He's got to get to the hospital now. So he's at 39. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So where is the hospital located?
I was going to say backwards.
Where on the number line?
I was going to say backwards.
He has to move forward, though. Where's the hospital, Bronwyn?
29.
29?
That's 29.
Look at the number again.
69.
69, yes. Absolutely. All right. Now, Mr. Monkey. Where was Mr. Monkey last?
30.
He was at space, was it 45?
Yeah, 35.
35. Okay, we'll say he was left at 35 because I'm forgetting. This is forgetting. He hears about well, let's just say he's at 39. We'll say 39. He hears about Mr. Bear's accident, and he wants to go to the hospital to be with him. So he gets super energetic, and he moves super fast, and now, instead of one jump being 5 units, one jump is actually 10 units now. So he is using his monkey strength to go fast and move forward way quicker to go see Mr. Bear. How many jumps will it be between number 39 and 69 for him to get to the hospital to see Mr. Bear? Each jump now is 10 units. How many jumps is it going to take for him to get to the hospital? How many do you think? You can take a guess even if you want. You can take a guess. Levi, what do you think?
It would take at least 3.
At least 3. Okay, let's check it out. So 10 more than 39 is how many?
10 more is at least.
10 more than 39 is what? Do you want to count?
Yes.
Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 49. So that's one jump. So he just went from 39 to 49. Now, what's one more jump gonna land us at? What's 10 more than 49?
It's gonna land us at 58.
58? Do we think it's
57.
57? Well, let's count it out. Let's count out 10 more spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I knew it.
59. So we just went 39, or we start at 39, 49, 59. What do you think the next step is going to be if we're counting by 10? Hands up. Weston, where do you think we're going to land?
I actually wanted to get my water bottle because I'm going thirsty.
Quickly.
Why does everyone have their water bottle?
Where are we going to land? So 49, 59, Jordan F?
30. 59.
Do we agree with that, grade ones? 69. Let's count 10 spaces in front of us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many jumps did it take him to get to the hospital?
69.
How many jumps? 49, 59. Isabel? How many jumps did it take?
3.
3. Do we agree? That's right. 49, 59, 69. Very good. Okay, so grade ones. We're going to start. You guys can crack your books open if you haven't already to page 207 and 208. We're going to do this math together today because there is a lot of reading. Every single question
We're not on that page.
is a word question. Yes, we are.
7.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, sorry. 207. Did I teach you 206?
No, you said 208.
207 and 208. Sorry, I forgot what I said, but 207 and 208, and we're going to do it together. Yeah. Just wait until I'm done explaining. Okay. So then everyone's going to get up and get the waters. Okay. So I'm going to read these out, just because there's a lot of reading, and then we'll answer together. Does that sound okay, grade 1? Okay. So it says, read each word problem. Show the hops on the number line to solve each problem. So you guys are going to take your pencil, and you will draw the hops from each number. Okay? The hops. Show the hops. So it's going to look like this. So you have your number line, Abe. Let's just say, for instance, 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, it's just right up here. You're going to show the hops like this, Abe, with your pencil.
Okay.
Okay?
And we have to do 4.
So I'm going to read each word question. So number 1 with the penguin. Everyone should be listening very carefully. June, are you with us, honey? We got to get you on the right page. Okay, so get your pencil and follow along here, okay? Beautiful. Number 1. Harry the penguin takes steps that are 2 units long. So each step is 2 units long. If he starts walking at 4 on the number line, so he starts at number 4, where will he be after 7 steps? Walking at 4. So do you see the little star? Where it says start? It's actually on his starting point. Number 4. So if he takes 7 steps, where is he going to land? Where will he be? So you're going to take your pencil, start at the star at 4, and do 7 hops. Yeah, you can do that. We just started working on the first one.
It is 18.
What number is he at?
It's 18. I got my 7. Where is 7? I don't see 7.
We're not starting at 7. We're starting at 4. And we're taking 7 steps. So 1, 2, yep. Or 7 hops. All right. So where did Perry the Penguin land on the number line, grade 1s?
18.
Hands up.
8.
Hands up. Maybe I'll give everybody a second to finish it. Give me a little signal that you finished, that you're done. Have it. Dawson, do you have it?
No.
Okay, well you need to do it. So put your pencil, we're doing this together. Put your pencil at the starting point at 4, and you're going to take 7 hops. But you need to show it with your pencil like I showed you on the board. You're actually going to draw the steps. So June, you need to start at 4. Okay? You're going to take 7 hops. 1, 2, you're going to do it 7. Okay, so where did he end up? Where did he end up, Willow?
18.
18? Did we all get that?
That's 20.
Try again.
1.
7 steps.
That's 20.
Nope, start at 4.
1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 18. So the answer, grade 1, for number 1 is 18. All right, let's do number 2. Fred Fox walks across the snow. His steps are 10 units each. If Fred starts walking when he is at 30, what number will he be on after 4 steps? So again, look at the star. Look at the star, June. That's where he starts. So he started at 30. So you're going to start your pencil there, and you're going to hop ahead 4 steps. Let me know where you land. 4 steps ahead. Hold it in your brain. Lock it in your brain. Give everyone a chance to do it.
I know it.
Lock it in your brain. Dawson.
It is 7.
7?
Yeah. No, 70.
7B. Do we all agree?
Yes.
Beautiful. All right, so Mr. Fox, after 4 steps, he lands on 70. So you should write 70 in the blank. Make sure to write the answers in the little
I'm on
blank.
the second page though.
Okay, that's fine. I'm just, because of all the reading, I'm just taking you all through it. If you can jump ahead, that's fine. Yes.
I'm finished.
Okay, sounds good.
I'm finished like every page.
Okay, so then just put your book on the macaroni table and I can mark it. You may read a book at your desk if you're finished, or you may pull out your winter booklet.
Okay.
Okay, number 3. Penny Puffin steps are 5 units long. Penny starts to walk at 25. So again, the star on the number line, it says start, it's at 25. So your pencil will start there. She takes 5 steps. Where is she now? Where is she after 5 steps? Make sure you don't count the start. So 1, 2, 3, 4, count. Lock it in your brain.
Go on the other side.
It's the same thing.
But we're just done.
We're down at the bottom here.
I'm done.
Okay. What were my instructions for people that were done?
No, like the first page.
Okay, then you can switch the page. It's still the same thing. They're just still the same word. They're all word questions.
Like, where do you start though?
Well, it tells you where to start. The second page doesn't have the starters for you. So you can wait for us then, Jordan. If you need help, then you can wait for us.
Yeah, I'm waiting for you.
Okay. So number 3. What was the answer for number 3? Where does Penny Puffin land if she starts at 25 and takes 5 steps? Where did she land, Jordan Beakey?
45.
45? Let's start at 25. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So just one step ahead there, Jordan Beakey. The answer for number 3 is 50. All right, grade 1, flip the page.
I did.
This one gets a little bit harder.
Yes, it is.
Oh, okay. All right, grade 1. We're on page 208 now. Is everybody on there? You see the polar bear, the walrus, the whale. Okay. So number 4. Pat Polar Bear walks along the ice. Each of his steps is 10 units. If Pat starts at 20 and takes 6 steps, where will he start? So you have to do your own, you have to find his starting place on your own. So he starts at 20. So find 20 on the number line.
Is it a 2 and a 0?
Yep, 20 is a 2 and a 0.
60. He jumps how much?
He's going to take 6 steps. So start at 20 and then jump ahead 6 steps. But wait, grade 1s, wait. His steps are 10 units each. On our number line, how many units is each space? In between each space? Does our number line count by tens? What does it count by? Yes, Johnson?
5.
It counts by 5s. So each space is going to actually be 2 spaces. So you're going to be jumping like this. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So you're going to be hopping 2 spaces, each space, or 1 space. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, you're going to skip 1. That's a good way to word it, because you're going to skip 1. Yes. Isabel? You're done? Yeah, if you're finished, you can go get your work checked. But this is for all the people who aren't done, because it's a lot of reading. Weston and Megan, what's going on over there? Are we talking math or are we talking pencils? Are we following along? Okay, we need to be following along a little bit better. So guys, yeah. Yes, so that's 1. So you can do that 6 times. Guys, are you following along? Okay. So the polar bear walks along the ice. Each of his steps is 10 units. It is not. Each of his steps is 10 units. And we discovered that the number line only goes by 5s. So it actually, you need to be speed enough. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I need help. I don't know if it's yours.
Either read a book at your desk or do your winter book. If your stuff is in check. What's that? I haven't even gotten there yet. Yeah. Okay. So, hey, he starts at 20, and our number line counts by 5, but he moves, each one of his steps is 10 units. So how many of these is one step?
I'm not gonna help you.
You just skip one, because it's 10. So counting by 10, so 20, 30, 40, so that's 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps, 5 steps, 6 steps. Does that make sense?
80.
Yeah. Yep. So what's the answer for number 4, guys? Here's what was the answer for number 4? Did you get it? No?
I did.
I'm literally working on that with the class right now. That's what I'm explaining.
Can you explain what?
Okay, so nope, I'm gonna stay at 4. So grade 1, so we're on number 4 with a polar bear. So we are counting by 10s for this one because each of the polar bear steps is 10 units. Our number line though counts by 5s. So our jumps are actually going to skip a number. So we're going to start at 20 because it baby starts at 20, and one step is going to land him on 30. Does that make sense? Does that make sense, guys? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Up. Okay. Good, Willa? You're done? Okay. So, I know, but we gotta get through 4 first. So we start at 20. So what's the answer? What's the answer for number 4? Does anyone have it?
30.
30. So 6 steps ahead of 20, counting by 10. Here's them. Not quite. Jordan Beakey?
80.
80. Yes.
I knew that before.
So we're going to count by 10. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. They make it a little trickier because the number line counts by 5s, but we need to count by 10s. So number 4 is 80. Okay, jump down to number 5 with the walrus. Walter Walrus takes steps that are 1 unit each. Walter starts at 2 and takes 7 steps. Where does Walter stop? So he starts at 2. So put a little circle or a little, mark the number 2 somehow. That's his starting point on your number line. Okay, mark it off and move 7 steps.
Are you doing hops?
Yeah, or hops. Yeah. So he starts at 2. So he's over here. Each one of his steps is 1 unit. So if he starts at 2 and moves 7, where would he end up? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where is he?
9.
Number 9. That's right. So make sure you draw your hops. But the answer for number 5 is 9.
I did that all by myself.
Beautiful, Jordan. I'm very proud of you. Okay, so the answer for 5 is 9. Yeah?
Number 2. I don't get it. Does he start at number 2?
Yeah. So are you on the walrus one?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you actually would put like a little dot on the number 2 because that's where he starts.
I'm doing stars on the
Sure, we can do a start. Anything that lets you know where he starts. Okay, number 6, the last one, grade 1. Kelly Killer Whale leaps from in the water. She can leap 2 units at a time. So what are we counting by for this one? Tirza.
2.
2. We're counting by twos. Kelly starts at 0 and leaps 5 times. Where is Kelly now? So she starts at 0, nice and easy, right at the beginning. Right at the beginning. She leaps 5 times. But remember, each leap is 2 units. So after one leap, where would we reach?
5.
If we're counting by twos. Where would one leap get us?
3.
Counting by twos.
2.
2, that's right. 1, 2. So that's one leap. So let's count by twos. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. How many leaps was that?
10.
How many leaps? 5. We leaped 5 times, and what number are we at? 10. So Kelly Killer Whale will end up at number 10 on the number line. So Kelly Killer Whale starts at 0. Okay. And each leap is worth 2 units. Yep. 1, 2, yeah. 3, 4, 5. Beautiful. 10. Good job. All right. Is everybody ready for their work to be checked?
Yes.
We all did it together, so we all should be really good. Okay. Line up at the desk.
Only for the brother.
If you are not done grade 1, or if you have corrections, you have 10 minutes to work on those corrections.
I'm done.